Well, you know, the world of business is constantly changing. We do live in uncertain times. For people to get the best out of their software, it's important to keep abreast of the latest changes, and that way you can get competitive advantage. Well, you know, we live in an increasingly complex world. We have more sophisticated and complex supply chains, for example, that businesses need to be concerned about. Businesses are concerned about compliance with international standards. They're worried about auditing and security issues. And of course, on top of all this is economic uncertainty. There's a possibility of recession around the world. They need to be concerned about productivity and reducing costs. Businesses are concerned about social media, the effect of their brand, their image in the world at large. Simply one comment on Facebook may tarnish someone's brand. And finally, of course, there's technology. In the world we live in, technology doesn't last more than 6 months before it's out of date. And all of these are issues that companies need to be concerned about when it comes to looking at forces of change. It's important that the software that you use attempts to match the functionality you require in your business. But it's extremely difficult to make sure it's 100% fit, and that's why many customers or many businesses decide to customize their software to suit the businesses, and that's fine. The reality is it requires skills and it requires expertise to create that customization. And so what we want to do for the future is to make the functionality out of the box exactly match the customer's requirements, and we think that provides our customers with a competitive advantage. You know, retail is an interesting opportunity for our customers. We see that appears to be a trend more towards face-to-face shopping, that in-store shopping experience. For example, you notice that there are more Apple iStores than ever before. And in Southeast Asia, there seems to be a trend more towards that human contact where you want to browse and go into a shop. Now, of course, there have been many retail systems deployed around the world. We'd like to believe that the SYSPRO point-of-sale system we've developed is a pure end-to-end solution. So it has all the integration built into it, like loyalty cards and so on and so forth. And we think that's an opportunity for our customers to make really good advantages of fantastic technology. There is no doubt there is an increasing tendency towards using mobile devices for our customers and their employees to access information in the system. But having said that, there's no question either that desktop PCs are here to stay. We don't see it as one instead of the other, rather we see they complement each other, both technologies. By 2015, Gartner predict, for example, that there'll be more mobile device users than desktop PCs. And given this particular trend, SYSPRO is investing a lot of resources into bringing a fully customizable mobile platform to our customers. Now, we think this is very important because it allows our customers, people in the organization, to access literally any information they want at any time on any device. And actually talking about the device, which one are we talking about? Do we mean a BlackBerry? Do we mean an iPhone? Do we mean an Android? And the answer is, we really should produce an application that runs on all these devices, and that's exactly what we intend to do. And more importantly, it is a single application that will run on all these devices, and that's very important for our way of going forward in this world. Well, of course, you could use those customization techniques which are built in software that enable you to make the product fit your requirements. But there is another way, an alternative to that, is the new SYSPRO App Store. This is a fantastic way of giving you choice because it allows you to browse through a catalogue of applications and then determine the correct application that will suit your business. And this is a way of giving you choice because it enables you to look at the SYSPRO ecosystem, see what other people are developing and make you best use of those applications. It's equivalent, if you like, of combination of iTunes and Amazon rolled into one where you can browse and then purchase the application of your choice. And this is just one more way we see of being able to make you truly successful with our software. And all we're trying to do is help you simplify that process.